Hi there, thank you for joining me in this video. I really appreciate having you right now watching this video. If you've not yet subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe so that you can always get updated whenever we post a new video. If you like our videos, please like, share them with people so that they can be able to learn. Today, I'm going to talk about something that is in the heads of every designer, especially when they're being approached by a client and they want a website to be developed for them. So they usually ask, should I get a free theme? Should I buy a free theme? Should I get a free theme or should I go and buy a theme? So, and where should I buy a theme actually? So I'm going to give you some two options so that you can look into, both for free and for paid. The platform that I usually use, I go to and then I look for the themes there. I search thoroughly, the one that I like, then I choose. So when you look at this window, I use Envato. We have Envato elements, and then we have theme forest, which is in Envato market. When you come to Envato market, you have web themes and templates. And then when you come to Envato elements, this Envato elements is broad. It has a lot of things. It has videos and stock footages, it has photos, it has video templates, it has graphics for Photoshop, Illustrator, name it. Vector files, they're all in it. If you are not yet subscribed to this, you're losing a lot, especially in the field of creative and in the field of graphic design, web design, those kind of things. You are losing a lot. So when you come to this platform, you'll be benefiting a lot. And I think it's $160 annually. You get a lot of things. The previous videos, I did mention that I like going to Envato Elements to get themes and template kits because I can get the same template on Envato Market, but I will only buy it once. So when I buy it, I'm only getting updates whenever they release. But when I come to Envato Elements, I have unlimited options. I can always download themes and templates without paying another time. You see, it's just part of the $160 that I paid annually, so I usually just use that. So I can get unlimited themes without paying again, but on Envato Marketplace, which is this theme forest, everything that I have to look for, I must pay for it. So for example, if I go and look for, there's a theme called Zox, so it's on Envato Marketplace market. This Zox News is a very nice theme for newspaper. So if you're doing a newspaper, you're designing a news or blog website, you can use this theme. It's very, very nice. I like it. It has different features like home pages. The design is just amazing, and it's really, really amazing. If you look at the features and layouts, they are outstanding. There is a slot up here that pops up specifically for advertisements. So if you are doing Google ads, you can be able to do that. It's really nice. So different home pages you can go through and see. The same page, you see here it is $55. It's well documented. It's been sold to over 6,000 users. So, but if I come here and I go to WordPress and I look for the same Zox, okay, let me move out of this. Yeah, it's here. I had selected template kits instead of themes. So it is here. So you can imagine if I had already subscribed on Envato Elements, I can download multiple themes without having to pay over and over again, right? But if I have to come to Envato Market, I will every time have to pay for everything that I want. Anytime I want a theme, I'll have to pay for that particular theme. But on Envato Marketplace, I think you have already gotten the point that I'm trying to say. So I usually come to check the themes on Envato Market, and then I go back to Envato Elements and see whether I can find the same theme there. Because if I look it over here and I find that it's already, the price is a little bit this, like $55, it's good for a theme, meaning that that particular theme, if I was to get it here, it's still going to be good. So also another thing that I look at is whether it is on, the page builder that it's built on. So I come here and I look for the plugins that are being used. Here you have Gutenberg, WooCommerce, and BBPress. These are the compatible plugins that you'll have to use. And it's good. So if you ask me, do you go for free themes or paid themes? I go for paid themes on Envato Elements. I don't go for paid themes on Envato Market, not unless that is a specific theme that I cannot get it on Envato Elements. So then I'll go to Envato Market. That means that the client was only convinced that they want that particular theme. So I have to only use that particular theme on that other area. So it's a tip that if you're doing design, you should also be able to follow. So if you do not have any other place that you can get that particular theme, but on Envato Market, then you'll have to go for that. Then we have other solutions, which is WordPress.org. When you come to WordPress.org, they also offer free themes. So when you come here, you will be able to also get free themes that you can download and use them in your website. So you see all these kind of themes here, they are for free. And the best way to do them actually, when you scroll down here and then you go to themes, you'll be able to find that here we have free themes. You remember the previous tutorials we talked about Elementor, we used this theme. Free theme, we have 2020, we have 2023, we have Astra, we have different other themes. These are free themes. If you find that these themes are good and they can do some work for you, then you can actually go for them, download them, install in your WordPress project, and then start working on them. For me, I like customized so that I can at least look a little bit unique and stand out in the market. I hope I've answered the question to those people who are asking whether they should go for a free or paid theme, and I hope to see you in the next video.